What's up guys, it's time to take a look at the official Huawei Mate 20 images. Roland is back again with the leak. Last time it was the OnePlus 6T and now it's the Huawei Mate 20. The ultra flagship from Huawei, the first ever Android phone to have a 7nm processor, is coming with some amazing features. It's gonna get announced officially on October 16th, but it's time to take a look at the official design. This is the Huawei Mate 20, the non-Pro version with a full 6.43-inch TFT LCD display with a 1080p HD plus resolution. The bezels are extremely narrow. We got the water droplet notch as well as a pretty small chin. Gotta say, it's a nice design up front. Obviously, it's not an OLED display because it's going to be a cheaper model. You're gonna see that on the Pro version. On the back, we have the square camera setup that includes triple sensors, and also we can see a fingerprint scanner on the back. Thank God that they moved the sensor to the back of the phone from the front because this is a much better position in my opinion. The battery on the Huawei Mate 20 remains at 4000 mAh, similar to the Huawei P20 Pro. We're gonna see Android 9.0 Pie on board, rocking the new Kirin 980 octa-core processor, the most powerful Android chipset right now. It's going to be the cheaper version of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The price range could be in between $800 to $900. So what about the Pro version? This is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We saw this a while ago. We have a bigger notch but no chin, and there's a reason why we have a bigger notch here is because it's having the Face ID. For the first time, Huawei's phone is now having a 3D facial scanner that is as good as Apple's Face ID, and it's going to provide some more features on top of that, like ability to lock the individual applications, having a private screen, etc. There's some other features listed here as well. Also, the Pro version will be rocking an in-display fingerprint scanner, something we really want to see on these widely available flagship phones. The display will be near 6.9 inch and it's going to be an OLED display, super big. It's going to be a large phone with a curved edge as well. We're also going to see 512GB variants with both Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro models. Now the camera on the back, the processor, the Android version will be same, but the battery on the Pro version will be bigger, coming at 4200 mAh. The Pro will also going to have IP68 certification as seen in these teasers. Apparently there's a new underwater mode with the camera that will allow you to take underwater photos and videos that clearly hints at the IP68 certification. We're also going to see stereo speakers on both models with the Dolby Vision support. The Pro model will also going to have the Supercharge 2.0 that will allow 70% charge in about 30 minutes. High vision camera feature will be there to translate text and give you live information about the scenes and the spots. Also, the first ever Bone ID is leaked as well. That will allow you to unlock your phone with voice, even in noisy environments. So that is interesting. Both models are expected to have nano SD card support, and also there is something called easy projection, which shows that you might be able to transform your phone into a desktop without the HDMI connection. Something like this is also expected to happen with the Samsung Galaxy S10. We talked about the wireless DeX connectivity, so this could be something like that. I mean, Huawei is definitely one step ahead compared to Samsung with a lot of features here with the Mate 20 phone, especially the Mate 20 Pro. Really looking forward to that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, we are nearly at 1 million subscribers, guys. I want you to show your support so that we can cross this milestone as soon as possible. Again, let me know your thoughts regarding the Huawei Mate 20 family. Official stuff coming out of the leaks, and soon we'll see the phone when it gets announced. So I promise I'm going to bring you guys some early Mate 20 videos. So I'm super excited to test out the Kirin 980 processor. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.